Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are safe. Maybe excited for my class. So I'm here to teach you SST Standard 3, Chapter 17, and the chapter name is My India Festivals and Dance. So before starting the chapter, I request all of you to please stay at home and enjoy your quality time with your family members. You can enjoy like playing the ludos, carom, video games. In fact, you can complete your homework which you received on online classes. Please stay at home, do not go outside and do not interact with other person. Stay at home, stay happy and be safe from this virus. Please follow all the guidelines which government has told to follow in this pandemic virus, coronavirus, so that we will be safe, and please protect yourself and your family from this virus. And please complete all homework which you received on online classes, because once school will open, I just want all the homework. So it's better that you should complete your homework on time and do not waste your time. You have a lots of time, so please complete it in good handwriting, legible handwriting, and use dark pencil. And I might guess that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy and stay happy at home. And whenever you are going to eat your meals, please wash your hand properly so that you will be safe from the COVID-19. So let's start the chapter. So if you don't have the book, then please purchase it as soon as possible. So today we will start from the topic page number 94. It's from Eid al-Fitr festival. But before starting this topic, we will take a short look at what we have learned in earlier classes related from this chapter. So first of all, we have learned about the festivals in this chapter, that India has a very rich and glorious culture. In different parts of the country, people follow the different traditions, like including celebrating many colors and exciting festivals. And another important part of our culture is the traditional dance and music of India. So festival, first of all, what is the meaning of festival? Then a festival is a time when we celebrate something, families, they wear the new clothes, greet each other, and eats a lot of good food. In fact, all of us, like young or old, children or parents, they love the festivals and they love that they are celebrating the festivals with each other. So we all know that India is very big country. Big countries with different seasons, regions and religions. So a large number of festivals, these are celebrated over the country. So some festivals are connected with the religious events, or other with the seasons. So there are some occasions when the whole country remembers a special events of the past, just like the Gandhi Jayanti, Independence Day, Teachers Day. So we are celebrating events of the past. So first of all, the first festival we will talk about in this chapter, it's the Basant Panchami. And Basant Panchami, it is celebrated at the start of the spring season. In this day, people worship goddess Saraswati, the goddess of learning. Then people also fly kites on this day, and yellow colors are worn to celebrate the coming of spring. Then after, in March, we have not the pleasant weather, not too much hot and not too much cold. So the festival Holi is celebrated, and it is also known as the festival of colors. Then Holi marks the end of winter, and we put the gulal and colored powder on each other. And in these days, we celebrate a lot. We celebrate with our family members. We wish them, and we play with colors, and then we eat a lots of foods. So around this time, the crops like the wheat, gram, mustard, and millets is also ready to harvest. Harvest means that ready to cut the crops. Then after we celebrate the Raksha Bandhan, we know that it is celebration the love between a sister and a brother, and like girls or women they tie the rakhi around the wrist of their brothers. Next is about the Dashahara. Dashahara, it is also known as Vijay Dashmi. It the marks of Lord Ram's victory over the Ravan, and shows the victory of good over evil. So we are celebrating these festivals. It is for the 9 days as Navratri. In fact, the Ram Leela is also staged during these festivals, and they depicting the lifestyle of Lord Ram. And in West Bengal and the part of the eastern countries, Durga Puja is also celebrated at this time at the Dashahara. Next is Diwali. It is also called, it is also called the festival of lights, and it is celebrated to the marks to return the Lord Ram to Ayodhya after 14 years. Then in these days, Diwali, people they just clean and decorate their homes and wear the new clothes. In the evening, after praying to the goddess Lakshmi and the goddess Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, they just light the diyas, lamps, and candles. Sweets are also exchanged amongst friends and relatives. So in these days, the most of the people they are celebrating Diwali with using the firecrackers, but it's very bad for our environment. So we have to save our environment. So please avoid using the firecrackers. Next, about the Guru Purb, it is a celebrate to the mark of the birth of Sikh Gurus. In many towns and cities, it is a very big possessions, and they just celebrating with a very great fun. And people wear the new clothes and they pray in Gurudwaras. In fact, the langars, it is like a free meal. Also, langars, it is also held, and thousands of the people they get free meals. So now it's Eid Fitr. Eid Fitr is the main festival celebrated by Muslims. So Eid Fitr, with the name you can understood that this is the festival celebrated by the Muslims. It marks the end of the month-long period of fasting or roza. So when we celebrate the Eid Fitr, we celebrate after finishing the month over a long period of fasting for 30 days. After fasting the 30 days, then we celebrate the Eid Fitr. This month it is also called Ramzan. So this month, it is especially in May or in May, June. So this month it is also called Ramzan, month of Ramzan. On Eid, everyone wears new clothes and offers prayers or namaz at mosque. So on Eid, means on Eid day, every Muslims they wear the new clothes and they offers prayers or they read the namaz at mosque. Eid or gift money, like Eid, like it's like a money, or gift money is given to the small children on Eid. They also eat sevai, a tasty sweet dish made of jaggery, milk, and vermicelli. So they also eat in Eid Fitr days. It's a special food. It is called sevai, and it is made with the jaggery, milk, and vermicelli. And Eid al-Zuha is also another important Muslim festivals. So Eid al-Zuha, it is also the important festival of Muslims. Now about the Christmas, that we will see in the next videos, so please guys watch the next videos. Till that, take care of yourself. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.